Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how to add unbounce form responses to MS Excel spreadsheet, which means that the form submission from the unbounce form builder application will be collected. The response of that form will be collected in the specific MS Excel sheet. So we are going to create an automation with the help of Pabbly Connect, where we will learn to integrate these two applications in such a way that as soon as the trigger form response takes place, the action of adding new row in MS Excel sheet will be done. Let us learn how to do that. So let us learn that how you can create a record of all the form submissions in your Excel sheet from your unbounce forms. Like here I have created this form called Alher for the real estate one. This is my landing page and I have created a inquiry form for the landing page which is of real estate over here. So the name, email and mobile number is given over here. Now what I'm going to do is connect my Unbounce with MS Excel sheet in such a way that as soon as any candidate fills up this form, then all the details will be recorded over here so that we can reach out to that specific customer and resolve the inquiry from the details provided over here. Let us quickly sign in into our account so that we will reach this place where I can see all the applications provided to us by Pabbly. And we are going to use Pabbly Connect to create this automation. Click on Access Now, and that will take me to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Reaching here, you will be able to see a big blue button on your right side where it is written Create Workflow. Click on the button and give a suitable name to your workflow. I'm going to name it as Add Unbounce Form Responses to MS Excel Rows. Click on Create and then a blank workflow will be created for you. Like you can see on your screen, you will be able to see Trigger and Action, the two major modules of Pabbly Connect on which the complete automation runs over here. Before that, I would like to remind you to open the form builder application, which is Unbounce over here, and MS Excel spreadsheet, where you are going to collect this data over here, so that you can integrate both these applications to Pabbly Connect and also to make the required changes over here. Like we are going to integrate our applications with Pabbly Connect. And also we are going to fill this form so that we can get the responses stored over here. So let us begin. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this, which means that trigger will be the first application where an event will take place. When this event happens, then the action application will perform the assigned action. Like here, our trigger is going to be unbounce because the form will be filled. And as soon as the form is filled, the trigger will take place. This workflow will trigger and the action application, which is going to be Microsoft Excel, will store all that data in these rows and columns given over here. Alright, so let us begin. The trigger event is going to be new form submission as I just mentioned. And now we have provided a webhook URL that will be used to create a bridge between our trigger application and Pabbly Connect. What this webhook URL will do is we are going to copy it from here and connect it with that specific form for whose responses you are creating this spreadsheet, so that all the forms that you will be creating in this application are not going to bring responses over here in this workflow and neither in this spreadsheet. Only that specific form will be taken. Let us open this form. And we will integrate this webhook URL with that one so that once this form submission arrives, then it will be brought over here as a webhook response. That is why it is called a webhook response, because it is brought over here by a webhook URL. Copy it from here. And as soon as you copy it, you will see that it starts waiting for a webhook response. Now let us go back, find integrations over here and then go to webhooks. Click on Add Webhook and here you have to paste that webhook URL. Alright, so by default it is in custom headers, which means the headers will be included. Once this is done, save changes and your integration is done in just 2 seconds. Click on Done and you have connected this webhook URL. Now, since it is waiting for a webhook response, we have to go and make a sample submission over here. So this is the name, email and mobile number of the person who is inquiring for the real estate deal. Click on Submit. And see, it's done. The submission is done, which means that the response will be brought over here by that webhook. And see, we have a response over here. Here the page name is also given for the real estate. The name of the candidate, the mobile number here and the email address is also here for the candidate. We also have a date submitted which is coming over here by default. We did not ask for that. So you can also add one more column over here for date, which is actually informative. Alright, so now once this is done, so we are going to transfer this data to our MS Excel sheet, and that is the work of Pabbly Connect, because we will be now connecting Microsoft Excel with Pabbly Connect so that the data that we have it over here in our response can be safely transferred to here this spreadsheet and fill these columns and rows. So now close this module over here and now select the action event as add row to worksheet. We already have created a worksheet. We just have to add rows to the existing one. Select this one, connect, and connect to new connection. Click on connect with Microsoft Excel. It will automatically detect your account and you just have to choose the account you're working upon and then consent and accept. Once this is done, you will get the option to choose your worksheet name and also the spreadsheet that you're working upon. Alright, now once this is done, you will see that I have a workbook name option and a worksheet name option over here. So the workbook name is Unbounce and because of this form name and the form builder application, and we have just one sheet over here. So similarly, we will choose from this list where we are given the name as Unbounce and over here. Alright, we have received this name and the sheet will be selected by itself because there is just one sheet over here. Once we are done with the selection, so now we get the fields over here with the name, email, mobile and date, the same columns that we have created over here because we have already created the columns and now the rows will be created under these specific columns. Alright, so let us map the data. Now why are we going to map it over here? We can manually write it looking at from this response. But we are not going to do that because if I write here any number, let's say 1, 2, 3, so it is not going to change. This is going to be static. But we are going to provide a pathway to take the name and these data from some specific place. Like here, this drop-down menu given to us. We will open this. Scroll down and find the name. See, if you map it like this, then every time a new name appears in the trigger application response in this step, then that name will be brought over here automatically. So we are basically going to map it. Similarly, we will map the email address. So scroll down and find the email address. Alright, mobile number. So you can take help from the search and map data. You don't have to just scroll down from the long list. Just type a little bit of hint and see. They take you straight away to the value. And also we have the date, so you can type the hint of the date as well. And this is the date over here. Alright, click on Save and Send Test Request and this will be updated right away. See, the data is over here. The name, email address, mobile number and date is provided to you in this spreadsheet. With the help of these forms, we have received the response. Look for errors in the response. If there was any error, this workflow would not run. But since it is running and our sheet has been updated, which means that our workflow was a success. Now let us close this module and see. You just have to create a form integrated with Pabbly Connect and all the responses that you receive from that will be sent to Microsoft Excel over here. Now let us check this in real time. Go to this form again. And now I am going to fill in a new data. So this is the data I have. I'll click on submit and see it is done. Now this workflow will not show the responses to us right now, but it will straight away be updated over here. Let us refresh the spreadsheet and see the name, email, mobile and date has been arrived and filled over here. So all the form responses that are filled here and submitted will be collected over here so that you can keep a check of all the inquiries you are receiving. So this was the whole video. I hope this helped. Not just these applications, but you can integrate many other applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any issue regarding Pabbly, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any doubts regarding our pricing, then you can connect us through this given website. If you found this video helpful in any way, then make sure to share this with your friends and colleagues to make their life easier by creating automations. We will meet in the next video. Till then, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.